Hi, this is John with WTI, and I'm going to be honest in here. The After I play basketball, after I play any sports, I go to the gym, or even if I had a long day, the first thing that I want to do is just go into my slides, and this is where this HOKA slides comes into place. It's just so comfortable. It feels like if you're just sliding into pillows, but at the same time, it has a really nice snug feel. But it's giving you this sensation that you're comfortable, that is like wrapping your whole foot, and it's just giving you this relaxation moment of the day. It's really comfortable for you to do the everyday activities at your house. This is what I do. I spend most of my day in slides because I don't go out that often. Or if I do any exercise, the first thing that I'm gonna do after taking off these shoes that sometimes are be too tight, too snug, these ones are the ones to chill in. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.